Hey guys, so today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of everything, doing a try on. I'm gonna be showing you what I eat for breakfast every single day. I get a lot of food questions on my Instagram. So I'm gonna be showing you what I got in my summer FabFitFun box. This video is sponsored by FabFitFun. It's the best box on the market. I've been subscribed to like all different box services. This is the best one. You're getting over $200 worth of items here for $39.99 with my code FOX10. I will have all of that information in the description box so you can check this out and get it for yourself. The products are really good in their summer box this year, I have to admit. So I'm gonna start showing you because I do wanna try on one of the items that comes in the box. Really cute. You can actually pick out some of the items you get in your boxes now, which I think is an awesome thing that they're offering now, and it ships to the UK. I used to do a lot of unboxings for FabFitFun, and that was probably the top question is, does it ship to the UK? It does ship to the UK now, which I think is awesome. So let me show you everything you're getting in the summer box. Here's a quick overview of my box, and I already took the poles out of here because I was so excited to see what they looked like. But this was actually one of the items I picked out for myself. That you can choose the item you want in your box. I love West Elm. This couch is West Elm. I have so many West Elm pieces in my apartment, and I loved the idea of having this little like tie-dye trio bowls. So here they are. They are so cute. Like posting food content, which I really do. I feel like having a beautiful bowl just makes the photo more pleasant to look at. And I only have like plain white cereal bowls in my cabinet, so I thought this would be so cute to have. This one is really great for like my breakfast every morning. These two are a little bit smaller. I don't have any small bowls like this. I love this. You could put like a dressing in it. I eat like raw vegetables all the time and I need dressing with them, so I thought this would be perfect rather than putting the dressing on the plate when it kind of just like spreads out. But you know what? These are like so beautiful that you could put them on like your nightstand and like collect your jewelry in them. So you can kind of do a little bit of everything with these. They're just so pretty. So I'm very happy with this. Remember, the entire box is $39.99 with my code. So this pretty much covers the cost of $39.99, and it's like everything else is free, which is honestly crazy. So I am so excited about this. Let me show you. I already kind of looked at it. I was so excited. It's by Spiritual Gangster. If you're unfamiliar with the brand, they sell it at, I've seen it at Nordstrom. It's pretty expensive. I believe this was in the $80 price range. I'm gonna try it on right now. This is one size fits most, and I think that it really would because it's pretty oversized. It has a tie right here. Very kimono-like. You could even wear this like as your part of your outfit, like a little white tank top and jean shorts. You can put it over, but I think I would honestly just wear it with my bathing suit. I like it a lot. Super, super cute. I like that it's a simple color, so I feel like it could be everyone's taste, right? Just black and white and gray. Covers 5'11", comes down to like right above my knees, so be even longer if you're shorter. I love this so much. If I'm not wearing it like over my bathing suit, I would honestly just wear this like when I get up in the morning as a robe. So adorable. So the first two items are like killer, right? Next, I'm very excited to try this. I have never actually tried the Kula brand. SPF 30 makeup setting spray, 70% organic ingredients. I've never used a setting spray that has SPF, I don't think. And I love that it's more natural and stuff. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a very pretty bottle. SPF 30 setting spray. So the first three items, being a really nice size of the Living Proof brand. You can get this brand at Sephora. So again, it's a high-end brand. Everything in here is like well-known, high-end, a lot of full sizes. Like you can't beat it for $39.99. And I have frizzy hair, so this is perfect. This is a really, really good brand. I used to use their shampoo and conditioner all the time. I believe Jennifer Aniston might own this brand. Okay, got some hair ties down here, which these are so great. If you've never used hair ties like this, you need to. They don't pull. They're just so, so good. What this is Invisibobble. So maybe this is like the original brand that started these, but these are so good for not pulling on your hair or creating breakage or anything. So getting 6 of those. Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Mist. This is definitely full size. I'm really in love with this packaging. I love like a simple label and a simple package. This looks so pretty like on your vanity. Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. This is gonna be so nice. You can bring it to the pool, to the beach, just spray it everywhere. I love rose, so I'm really happy with that, to try that out. Exfoliating foot mask. I'm always doing so many like scrubs on my feet in the summer because I wear sandals, and so that it gets drier than normal. So coconut milk, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free. Wow, sounds good. So this is the packaging, tells you what it does. Nice. Use at bedtime. I cannot wait to try this. We're trying this tonight. I will keep you guys posted. Another amazing product to try in the box. Brightening Purple Face Mask by Generation Clay. I have never tried anything from them before. So Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I love bright skin. That's one of the main things I look for in skincare products. I have to try that. I feel like I'm gonna have like a spa night over here. Last thing, I've been dying to open this. How cute is this? Silicone wine glasses. You're getting a set of 2 and the packaging is super cute. This little pink bag. This is so funny. I know in the pool in my complex you can't bring glass. It has to be like plastic. These are silicone little stemless wine glasses. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And it's so funny to me. So I will be getting a lot of use out of those. I'm actually going to wine country in a couple days, so I'm gonna bring these with me. Why not? This is all of the products I got. Can you believe for $39.99? That's a steal. That is a steal. So you can see that's a full serving of oatmeal. This bowl is beautiful. I always add a tablespoon of peanut butter. You have to measure this out because 1 tablespoon is 100 calories. And then I like to mix. I'm like so happy with this bowl. It's so like Instagrammable, right? Just casually sitting on the floor in my bathing suit with my oatmeal. I'm so excited to eat this. I'm hungry. I had coffee. I'm ready for my breakfast. And I cannot wait to try out all these products in my FabFitFun box. So I will have the link below to FabFitFun. Use Fox10 to save $10 off your box. Let me know if you want more food related videos on my channel. Show you how I make the oatmeal exactly. You can make oatmeal so many different ways, but honestly, when people say like, do low carb, don't eat, I eat carbs every day and I have to start my day with carbs, which is my oatmeal. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I will have the FabFitFun information below. I will see you very soon. I love you guys.